Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer in Mailchimp so your emails look cleaner, more professional, and better matched to your brand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to customize the footer section inside your Mailchimp email. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're inside, open the email campaign or template you want to edit. You'll need to be inside the email design editor where all your content blocks are visible. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your email. This is where the Mailchimp footer section appears automatically. The footer usually contains your company information, unsubscribe links, and other required email details. Go ahead and click directly on the footer block. As soon as you click it, you'll see editing options appear on the left side of the screen. This is where you can customize the footer design and content. First, you can edit the text inside the footer. Maybe you want to add your business slogan, update your company address, or change the wording of the default message. Next, look for the section Backgrounds options so you can change the footer background color so it better matches your brand style. You can also open the text settings to adjust the font style, size, and text color. This helps make the footer easier to read and more visually consistent with the rest of your email. If your footer contains links like unsubscribe or update preferences, you can customize the link colors as well. Choosing a clear and visible color makes those links easier for readers to find. You'll also notice options for padding and borders. Padding adds spacing around the footer content so it doesn't feel crowded, while borders can help separate the footer from the rest of the email design. Take a few moments to test different styles and preview your changes. Small adjustments can make your email feel much more polished and professional. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Mailchimp footer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and email marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.